Today, we are taking you through the SKYX installation process. Please ensure that your power has been completely shut off before proceeding. First, we are uninstalling the hardwired light fixture from the junction box. Once the fixture has carefully been uninstalled, we start by installing the Sky Outlet, a revolutionary plug for ceiling light fixtures. The Sky Outlet only takes minutes to install. Insert the ground into the terminal labeled G with a green dot. Insert the live wire into the terminal labeled L1 with a black dot. Insert the neutral wire into the terminal labeled W with a white dot. Secure the Sky Outlet with the 2 screws and washers. Attach the cover plate and you're done. You now have an outlet for ceiling installations. For the holidays, you can install your Christmas tree chandelier that is already pre-wired to the Sky Plug just by the click of a button. After the holidays are over and you are ready to take it down, grab your existing or new fixture in our Sky Plug device and retrofit it within minutes. For a more detailed installation guide, refer to our how-to videos on YouTube. Insert the ground into the terminal labeled G. Insert the neutral into the terminal labeled W. Insert the live into the terminal labeled L1. Secure the terminals by tightening the screws and you're done. You have officially installed a light fixture the Sky Plug way. Now that the outlet is installed, you have the ability to swap out light fixtures safely in seconds. Thank you so much for watching.